Wavytalk sent me this steam flat iron, and I've been straightening my hair for years, but never with steam, at least intentionally. So let's check out all the features of it. Right here is where you pop that out to add the water. And it is a tiny little place where you fill it, but it comes with this little bottle. So I did add the water already. It's an extra step, but we'll see how long this tank lasts on my hair. So easy to pull that out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fill it. Let's see how much water it takes. So it looks like I have quite a bit left in that bottle. Fill the tank with purified or distilled water. Honestly, I use tap water, but ours does have a filter, I think, at our house. Okay, and then right here, there's a little ridge. I'm just popping that in there, and then it should snap right back in. Okay, now plugging it in, it already says off, so that's nice. And then I'm gonna hit the on button here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it to 450, which is the max that it will go to. It's heating up right now, showing me the numbers. It's cycling pretty fast, so that's awesome. And then right here is the steam button. We're gonna turn that on to start the steam function. Also, I want to show you this little comb part. This came unattached, and it also came with two of these clips, so I'll use that. And look how cute this little scrunchie it came with, and a glove. Putting this little comb in was exceptionally difficult for me. I don't know why, if mine was just like a tighter fit than normal. So I kind of had to like put it in at an angle, and then once I got it in, it did snap into place. But I wish that just came attached. Okay, so this is number 4. Not too bad. Let's get it steam straight. Okay, we're at 400 degrees, and I'm gonna start climbing up to 450 pretty fast. See all that steam coming off, but it's not that burning hair smell, so that's good. Again, my hair is completely dry. I'm impressed at just how fast this works. Okay, that's probably the most stick straight my hair has been in a really, really long time. Let me just get this little top piece there. This works phenomenally well. I only used about half that tank of water on one time. It made my hair not just like soft, but like tingle free. It definitely got all the little tingles out with that comb. Although I'd say I probably should have just brushed my hair before I started doing it, because I did notice there were a few little tangles it had to work through. This is outstanding. I'm going to go ahead and hit the off button, turns it to the off position, let it cool down. The only part that gave me the challenge was attaching that little comb, but once that's in, I don't think I'm going to ever take it out. This is a fantastic hair straightener. I'm thoroughly impressed, and I think you're going to love it as well.